Does Webull allow day trading? Yes, Webull allows day trading and has become a popular platform due to its mobile-first, commission-free structure, catering to both beginners and experienced traders. With Webull, traders can execute multiple trades daily without paying commissions on stocks, ETFs, and options, making it especially appealing for those looking to manage trading costs. Additionally, Webull offers fractional shares, enabling traders with smaller accounts to invest in high-value stocks and diversify without needing significant capital. This makes the platform accessible for those who may be exploring day trading for the first time. However, Webull's day trading capabilities come with certain regulatory requirements. The Pattern Day Trader (PDT) rule, regulated by the U.S. Financial Industry Regulatory Authority (FINRA), applies to all traders using a margin account on Webull. According to the rule, traders making 4 or more day trades within 5 business days, if these trades constitute more than 6% of their trading activity, are classified as pattern day traders. This designation requires traders to maintain an account balance of at least $25,000. Falling below this balance results in restrictions on day trading activities. For traders with less than $25,000, Webull offers a cash account option that avoids these restrictions, although it limits margin use. Another consideration for day traders on Webull is the platform's payment for order flow (PFOF) model. With PFOF, Webull routes orders through third-party entities, which can occasionally impact order execution speed. In fast-paced trading environments, timing is crucial, and even slight delays can affect profitability. While PFOF can be a drawback in fast-moving markets, Webull still provides competitive rates and options for those focused on cost-effective trading. Despite the execution speed limitations, Webull remains a favorable choice for active traders. Its user-friendly mobile interface offers advanced charting tools and technical indicators essential for day trading. Webull's low margin rates and competitive interest on uninvested cash help maximize capital efficiency. This setup makes it particularly appealing to mobile users who want flexibility and ease of access for managing trades on the go. One potential disadvantage for beginners is Webull's limited educational resources and customer support, especially when compared to other brokers like TD Ameritrade or Interactive Brokers. Without comprehensive tutorials or in-depth market analysis, novice traders may need to seek additional resources to fully understand and execute advanced trading strategies. Additionally, Webull does not provide access to mutual funds or bonds, which can limit diversification opportunities for users interested in a broader range of investment options. In conclusion, Webull is a compelling platform for day traders seeking a low-cost, easy-to-use solution with mobile accessibility. While it has certain limitations, such as the POF model, regulatory requirements for frequent traders, and limited educational resources, it offers a convenient, streamlined trading experience. For those willing to navigate these factors, Webull serves as an effective, efficient way to engage in day trading without high fees.